I had to talk to Jay
Speak for like 5 seconds.
If you guys don't know what we're talking about the podcast. So we're starting a podcast, and people are gonna, want to pay us to get on our podcast.
After taking your interview, you pay
Yeah. $200. If you want to interview, want a podcast, bro, give me $200. I'll put you in for 30 minutes, bro. Let's get it. All right, guys. What the frick is going on? Welcome to the new vlog, guys. Today we're gonna be breaking down my income, how much money I'm making as an entrepreneur. As you guys can see, this is my office. We're doing some big things here, but I want to show you and break down how much money I'm making, what I own, what's my net worth. A lot of people have a lot of questions, so this video is going to be a breakdown for that. Let's get into it. New lights. They look creased up right now, but they will be better. So these lights are pretty much gonna be used for not porn.
Definitely not porn.
Yeah, but we're gonna. This looks suspicious, bro. From the freaking.
Yeah, if you come in this room, we're gonna hang your body.
Nah, bro, this looks suspicious. But anyways, guys, we got some nice little lights.
Why is this wobbly?
Hey, bro. What the frick is this? Bro, Son, explain, bro. What is this, bro?
It's not that, it's bro.
I don't believe you. Anyways, guys, so these are lights. How do you take it off, bro? Just like this? Oh, frick. So, I don't want to break it, guys. Oh, it's Velcro. Okay, so this inside, it's like a little alien space technology, guys. Check it out. You know what I'm saying, bro? Light bulbs, I guess, goes in there. And then, it shines out without having any hard light. So pretty much it makes it nice and dull. It makes it way more easier to consume light, I guess you could say. We got the tripod for the podcast. We got the gimbal right here, Mr. San himself. So yeah, we're working really hard on this podcast setup. This is just temporary. This is not going to be here for long. We actually are going to get a 10-foot table right here, and we're going to get an 8-foot table right here for just more people to do more work. And then the podcast setup will be cool here. So right now it looks empty, but it's not going to be empty for long, I'm telling you now. So yeah, guys, this is a little sneak peeks of everything else going on. Do you like the idea or what?
Yeah, I like the idea, but are we gonna look pretty or something?
What happened?
Are we gonna look pretty under the lights? I think the lights will be in our eyes.
Is it white light or yellow light? So also we're gonna be decorating these walls, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Different type of little cool art pieces, some urban art and stuff like that. That's gonna be really awesome. These lights, let me show you when they're off. They look really, really cool, these little lights right here. Yeah, check it out. So the art's gonna be on these walls. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but it's gonna be really, really cool stuff. It's gonna be kind of like art gallery where they have the light shining on the art. It's really insane.
Here's gonna be our Mona Lisa with the picture of just Tupac.
let me turn off these lights. It's gonna look.
Yeah, so this is really cool. So these are the lights that are gonna be displaying the art pieces that we have. Art is expensive, so we'll see what we can do. And then let's get it. And yeah, that's the end of the tour, I guess.
So the sales situation, it's been dire, guys. The sales have been on a constant dip, but we came up with a good email campaign blast.
Yes, and that's where I come in, brother. Okay, so guys, due to this recent dip in sales, we are gonna launch a huge email campaign. We're gonna, target about close to 30,000 people, 30,000 targeted people. That's gonna, take our sales skyrocketing, brother.
So if when the people come through, it's our job to close them, but we can't go out of our way just to produce these leads. These leads, we can't produce them by cold messaging, cold calling, but that the conversion rate on that is worth our time. So we produce leads through email marketing, and the email marketing, it depends on the clickbait, all the copyright stuff, and the better the click-through rate is, the better we can close them. So even if the emails have 10% click-through rate, and even if we close 10% of those people that come through, that's still a lot of sales.
Exactly, and moreover, cold DMing is not our strategy. We only target the people who are interested in such stuff. This is what our company is known for. This is what we do here. We only target the people who are interested, not some random guy who doesn't want a music campaign, right? So we just target the targeted audience, so that's what our strategy is all about.
Also in the past week, I've noticed this, guys, like again and again, Facebook and Instagram ads are a scam, bro. Like we ran Facebook and Instagram ads. We've been putting in $100 to $150 per day in the Facebook and Instagram ads that we're running for our company, and they're a scam. Like the people that come through, 30 followers, 50 followers, 100 followers, like these aren't the people that we're trying to target. And like Facebook says, you know, like targeted people, 18 and above. We can set, you know, like all the age ranges, but all these kids, man, like 14, 16-year-old kids, they're showing up at our doors like, knock, knock, bro. I want free marketing, bro, free marketing. Everyone wants free marketing these days. But yeah, man, like the email marketing, hopefully it comes through with a good click-through rate. And obviously Fazan is going to be handling those, and hopefully he does a good job.
It will, brother. It will go.
Okay guys, the main question a lot of people ask me is my breakdown of my income. A lot of people want to know how much money I'm making on a consistent basis and what is my net worth. So right now, I'm just going to break it down in this video to tell you how much I'm earning and how much I actually own worth equity and different type of ownership of different things that I have. So I have a lot of things that I own. So I want to break down in this video my net worth. So let's go into it. So, you know, first and foremost, if you guys don't know me or this is your first time watching a video of mine, my name is Ish the Trapper. I own multiple businesses and I have, you know, really cool things going on. I own a couple marketing agencies as well. These are 6-7 figure marketing agencies. I just got their appraisal recently, so I'm glad to, you know, be making this video. It's a really big moment for me. I'm so excited. So let's get into it. So first things first, guys, I own a marketing agency kind of conglomerate. What that basically means, it's a marketing agency within a marketing agency. So my marketing agency owns about 3-4 different marketing agencies, and we just got our appraisal back, and we are proud to announce that my marketing agency is worth $1.2 to $2.3 million, guys. So that's a big accomplishment. And I was literally going crazy. I was like, oh my God, this is insane. Like, how did I do this? So a lot of, you know, work ethic, a lot of drive, a lot of motivation into that. So another thing that I'm invested into right now is real estate. So after I started making a lot of money, I started getting into real estate projects. So I just got property, I just got ownership of a commercial real estate 3-story building, which is evaluated about $170,000. We're doing renovations on it. So total that I put in is $170,000. I'm not even including appraisal and, you know, different type of appreciation. The property right now is easily, comfortably worth like $230, but the money I put in is $170. So hopefully that makes sense. So we're gonna add that all up together at the end. So a couple of cars that I did have that I sold, you know, I don't have them anymore, but I thought I should mention them because that was part of 2020. Is I have a couple of cars, BMWs, Infinities. I had an 8 Series, I had a 4 Series, I had a Q60. So these are all cars that I did have in my net worth that I did have to sell because I didn't really find use of them. When I find no use in something, I don't want it. Let's just say, for example, I don't want this computer anymore, I'm not gonna have it. So yeah, that's pretty much how everything works. You know, in terms of stocks and crypto, I have a pretty good portfolio. I would love it to be more, but right now it's sitting at about 30K in stocks, and I have about $10,000 in crypto. I just got into crypto a month ago, but the whole thing crashed, so I'm waiting for it to dip even more to really get a good understanding and getting a good solid crypto portfolio on that. So next thing, let's get it, guys. So this house. So guys, this office space that I'm living in is actually the top story of my house. A lot of people don't even know that. So, you know, my house is, you know, pretty big. So in terms of renovations for the entire house that I personally made. So I didn't buy this house, but I renovated literally A to Z, everything. So in terms of renovations, I spent about $90,000. That's for the walls, drywalls, electricity, you know, customs like this. Check them out, check it out, look at it, show them. You know, these are the different type of customs that I made as well. You know, technology, I've done the drywalls on the walls, I've done wool on the floors, the kitchen, the bathrooms, everything you could see. You know, I pretty much renovated because before this was very outdated and this house was just, you know, pretty much a beater. So I went ahead and renovated everything. So I have about $90,000 in equity in this house. I'm looking to, you know, I pay the bills now and I pretty much do everything in terms of this house. But yeah, so that's pretty much if you guys are wondering. And also, you know, the mentorship program. So I have a mentorship program where, you know, it comfortably cash flows about, you know, 40 to 50K a year. And it's awesome. I love the mentorship program. It's where I go ahead and teach people how to make, you know, how to make their own marketing agencies. And, you know, I'm blessed to say I have a lot of successful students that are having their lives changed from this system. I actually have this kid, his name's Salvador. I was watching this, what's up, Salvador? He literally came from like, you know, nothing. And he's now making comfortably like 6 figures a year, probably more than that. And this guy is just nothing. He's an 18-year-old, just turned 18 recently, and now he's just, you know, accomplishing so much. He paid for the mentorship program. He was actually one of my interns that eventually, you know, scaled up and saved all of his money. Like, he literally had to save up for like 6 months, and after the 6 months, he went ahead and paid for the mentorship program, and from there he went on to the moon. Man, that guy's insane. That guy's insane. But anyways, guys, so if we total the number of everything together, this is what we get. So the total number of my total net worth, I guess if you could say, it's $1,540,000. Pretty much everything, if you total everything up, and if you lowball everything. So if I lowballed my, you know, appraisal on my company, if I lowballed everything, I'll be sitting at about 1.54 million net worth. So hopefully, guys, this gave you an understanding of where my money comes from, how much money I make, and everything like that. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this, and let's get back to the vlog. Let's go. Alright guys, this is going to be the end of the vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. It really means a lot to me that you guys go ahead and stick to the end of these videos. We're running a solid Instagram campaign right now, so it's I'm really occupied, really busy, got a lot of stuff to do. So I'll see you guys in the next episode. Peace!